Unlocking innovation through robotics education. Welcome to our channel, Jay Robotics. We'll be diving into the fascinating world of reed switches. Let's explore what a reed switch is and how it works. So, what exactly is a reed switch? Let's go through the list of items required for this project. Make sure you have everything ready before we jump into the exciting stuff. Here's the list of components. You'll need a reed switch, an Arduino board, and an RGB LED. Now let's dive into the exciting part, making the physical connections that will power our project. First, let's focus on the reed switch. The VCC or power pin of the reed switch should be connected to the 5V pin on the Arduino. Next, the GND or ground pin of the reed switch goes to the GND pin on the Arduino. Lastly, the signal output pin of the reed switch is connected to analog pin A0 on the Arduino. Moving on to the RGB LED, the longer leg or A node should be connected to digital pin 13. The middle leg, which is the common cathode, goes to the GND pin on the Arduino. Now the three shorter legs represent red, green, and blue. Connect them to digital pins 11, 12, and 13 respectively. Make sure all the connections are secure, and we're now ready to move on to the next phase. Now that we have our hardware connections in place, let's understand the magic happening in the code. The Arduino is programmed to read the state of the reed switch using analog pin A0. When the reed switch detects a magnetic field, causing the analog reading to drop below 500, a sequence of colorful events is triggered. First, the red LED lights up for 200 milliseconds. Then, it switches off, and the green LED takes its turn for 200 milliseconds. Finally, the green LED turns off, and the blue LED shines for 200 milliseconds. If the analog reading is 500 or higher, indicating no magnetic field, all LEDs are turned off. This dynamic sequence showcases how the hardware components interact with the code, creating a visually engaging output. I hope you enjoyed exploring the world of reed switches and Arduino with me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting projects.